Hello again, guys. I wanna introduce you my original pure Brisa peach. This is rotted the trunk of Brisa peach. It's rooted and full of flower. The blooming Brisa peach. I really love this one. Full of blocks, full of flowers. And look at the leaves. New leaves coming. It's like a duckweed. The real leaves is this one, dark green. Blue agglutine Brisa peach is stunning, beautiful, and blooming na blooming, full of flowers. The blooming Brisa peach is stunning, beautiful, amazing. Look at that. How about you? You love Brisa peach like me? Super beautiful. Super beautiful and full of flowers. I love this Brisa peach. This is not grafted, this is rooted. Look at the trunk. Rooted. Look at that. This is rooted. No graft, only rooted. Beautiful. Thank you so much for watching the stunning, beautiful, amazing Brisa peach blooming.